Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Firefox tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to clear the cache in Firefox. It's pretty simple. First I open Firefox, click on the three bars in the upper right corner and click on Settings. Now I switch to the tab Privacy and Security and scroll down to Cookies and Site Data. Here I have several choices. I can clear the entire cache at once, or use Manage Data to clear only specific web pages. I can also specify that cookies and cache are automatically cleared when I close Firefox. In this case, I want to clear all data at once. I click on Clear Data and have to decide if I want to clear cookies and cache at once or just cache, for example. In this case, I leave both checked and click Clear. I confirm the hint and have to wait a short while till the cache is cleared. Depending on how big the cache is, this can take a few seconds. Now the cache is empty, which I can see from the used space. And with that, we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!